In this video, I will show you how to add Phantom Wallet to Edge browser. So what you're going to do is you're going over to phantom.com, and from here, from the homepage, you will already see this download for Edge button in here, but you can also click on download in the top right. And in here, you can manually select Edge. So let's click on this. Right now, it's asking us to get the extension. So let's click on get extension. And here we're going to click on allow, add extension. And as you can see right now, we can get started with our wallet. So if you don't have one yet, you can click on create a new wallet. And if you have one, you just going to click on I already have a wallet. And in here, you can import your wallet. If you have an Apple ID or Google account linked to your Phantom wallet, you can click this option. And if you don't have an Apple ID or Google account, just a regular email, then I would suggest you to click on import recovery phrase or import private key. And you can access your recovery phrase and your private key in your Phantom wallet settings. So you can also connect your hardware wallet if you have one. And that are the 4 options. So just go ahead and click on this, and then you will be able to link it with your Phantom wallet account. That is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.